Forget the gadgets you've seen before, the ones you're about to see feel like they're from the future. From eye-powered glasses that talk back to you, to robots that can cook dinner while you relax. Here are 10 tech gadgets you won't believe exist in 2025. Number 2 will absolutely blow your mind. Welcome back to Smart Tech Digest, where we bring you the coolest tech you've never heard of. If you love futuristic gadgets, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a video. 1. Eye-powered smart glasses. These high-tech glasses have a smart voice assistant built right in. They can translate over 50 languages instantly, so you can talk to anyone around the world. They also show arrows and directions right in front of your eyes, making it super easy to find your way without looking at your phone. 2. Self-flying personal drone. This isn't a drone you control, it's one that flies you. It's like a small electric flying car that takes off and lands straight up and down. Just tell it where you want to go, sit back, and it flies you there safely on its own. 3. Holographic smartphone. This phone can project a 3D hologram above the screen, so you can see people in real size during video calls. You can move your hands in the air to swipe or tap without touching the screen. It's perfect for games, movies, and cool 3D effects. 4. AI Chef Robot. A smart cooking robot that can make hundreds of meals for you. It uses robot arms and cameras to cook perfectly every time. You can choose your recipe, and it will prepare it, serve it, and even clean up the mess. 5. Shape-shifting laptop. A laptop with a flexible screen that changes size. You can use it as a 13-inch screen for travel, or stretch it into a 17-inch screen for work or movies. It changes size smoothly without any breaks in the display. 6. Wearable health scanner. A small device you wear or hold that can scan your body in seconds. It checks your health, spots problems early, and sends the results to your phone. It can warn you about possible illnesses before you feel sick. 7. Portable nuclear battery. A safe, tiny nuclear battery that can power things for up to 10 years without charging. You can use it for camping, emergencies, or even to run small devices in your home. 8. AI Home Security Drone. A flying security guard for your home. It flies around your house by itself at night, using cameras and face recognition to tell the difference between friends, pets, and strangers. If it spots danger, it sends you a live video right away. 9. 3D food printer. A machine that prints food. Just load it with edible ingredients, and it will make meals layer by layer. You can create pizza, pasta, desserts, and more, all custom-made for your taste. 10. Motion reading headphones. Headphones that know how you're feeling by reading your brain signals. If you're stressed, they play relaxing sounds. If you're tired, they play music to boost your energy. They match the music to your mood automatically. These are just a glimpse of the tech revolution happening right now. Which one of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button, really helps the channel grow. And if you want more mind-blowing tech content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next.